Steve Rogers.
Sergeant James Barnes.
Where are we going?
Future.
They'll catch your horse, they'll actually take you. This isn't about me.
Don't do anything stupid until I get back.
Careful.
There are men laying down their lives. I got no right to do any less than fuck.
Schmidt sent out a force to Azan. 200 men went up against him. Less than 50 returned. The rest were killed or captured.
Serum worked.
I finally got everything I wanted. I'm wearing tights. Looking for Sergeant James Barnes.
Isn't with you to the end of the line.
Steve. What are we waiting for? Right partner.
Lucky, do you remember me?
I'm with you to the end of the line.